Hi there, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. Do you want a sophisticated, refreshing and extremely easy to prepare salad? Today I'm going to teach you the classic Waldorf salad, a perfect combination of crunchiness, creaminess and a touch of sweetness. A light and balanced recipe that transforms any meal into a special moment. So leave your like, subscribe to the channel and come with me because this recipe is quick, practical and delicious. To start, let's look at the ingredients. 2 medium green apples. 200 grams or 7 ounces of walnuts. A cup of seedless grapes. 200 grams or 7 ounces of celery. 250 milliliters of double cream. 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Juice of 1 lemon. Salt and ground black pepper to taste. We need 2 medium apples, which will bring a perfect sweet and crunchy touch. You can use red apples for a sweeter flavor or green apples if you want a slight hint of tartness. First, wash the apples well and cut them into small cubes, keeping the skin on for more color and texture. If you prefer, you can squeeze some lemon juice to prevent them from darkening. Now, let's add an essential ingredient, 200 grams or 7 ounces of celery. The celery brings incredible freshness and a slight touch of crunch, making the salad even more balanced. Chop the celery into very thin slices to distribute the best flavor. The contrast between the sweetness of the apple and the freshness of the celery makes all the difference. We follow with 200 grams or 7 ounces of chopped walnuts, which give an irresistible crunch and a slightly buttery flavor. You can use lightly toasted walnuts to intensify the flavor or replace them with chestnuts if you prefer. Just break the walnuts into medium pieces to ensure texture in every bite. Now, we add a cup of seedless grapes, which brings a fruity and juicy touch. If you are using large grapes, cut in half to distribute them better throughout the salad. You can use both purple and green grapes, creating a beautiful color contrast in the dish. With the ingredients ready, let's prepare the creamy sauce, which provides the perfect finishing touch. In a small bowl, mix 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 250 milliliters of double cream. The mayonnaise brings the classic texture of the Waldorf salad, while the cream balances it with a light and refreshing touch. Add the juice of 1 lemon to enhance the flavors and give it that irresistible freshness. Finish with a pinch of salt to adjust the flavor and mix well until you obtain a homogeneous sauce. Now just put it all together. In a large bowl, place the apples, celery, grapes and chopped walnuts. Remove the creamy sauce on top and gently, ensuring that all the ingredients are well coated. And that's it. The Waldorf salad is finished. You can serve immediately or refrigerate for a few minutes to make it even more refreshing. This salad goes perfectly with light dishes, such as grilled dishes, and is an excellent option for quick meals or even special celebrations. The balance between crunchiness, creaminess and freshness makes every bite irresistible. Have you ever tried a Waldorf salad? Make this recipe and tell me in the comments what you think. If you like this video, leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recipes like this. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.